Good. How are you? You kind of give me I don't know, like a kind of old vibe from the camera. I don't know, like webcam.
Yes, because the light is bad. I just fixing the light.
It's in a good way. I like it. Like for real.
Yes. Now it's okay.
Okay. Okay. Now it's better. Yeah.
I have to say like that.
Ah. Okay. Okay.
So, where are you from?
What are you laughing at?
Because I think you're a YouTuber.
Me?
Yes.
A YouTuber?
Yeah.
Ew.
Why?
I am.
Okay.
So yeah, I am. Are you? I don't know, like a YouTuber, streamer, or something?
No, but I want to be.
Oh really? Do you want to be a YouTuber? What? Okay. Um, what kind of content do you see yourself in the future doing?
Normally I play on my TV with my mom, so I was planning to.
Wait. Pause. What?
Okay.
Again? Did I hear it right? Again.
Yeah, I play on my TV with my mom. But don't think bad.
Dude, that's unique. That's very unique. I think if you make a content out of that, I think it's gonna be very, very nice. That maybe only you. So, you know.
Yeah, and I wanted to make prank people with my mom and something funny. But still, I'm gonna start it because I don't know still how to install my graphic card on my PC. That's a problem.
You don't know how to install a graphic card? So right now you are using the integrated graphic card?
No, not graphic card, just my PC.
Oh yeah, which means integrated from the
Yeah.
processor, right?
Yes.
You don't know
I don't
how?
know anything.
Okay. Well, what you have to do is you just have to go to a computer store and ask them what graphics card compatible with your CPU, with your PC, and then maybe they can help you out. But you have to bring someone with you, otherwise they are gonna trick you. Maybe I don't know. They can trick you with the price, so maybe you have to be a little bit careful. Yeah. So, anyways, what's your name?
Sepide.
Sepide?
Sepide.
Sepide?
Sepide, yes, it's my name.
Ah, okay. Where are you from?
It's the straight name. Generally, I'm from Iran, but I live in Germany.
Oh, I see. I see.
Yeah. What about you?
From Indonesia.
And your name?
Naki.
Lucky? Lucky?
You are kind of suspicious. Seriously.
Wait, I just pranking you. I know you.
See, you are kind of suspicious. I can see. From your eyes, from your little, smirk, your little, smile. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little suspicious, actually.
Yeah, actually, we talked before in Google Meet with Arya Kasi in Discord. But you don't know, remember?
Oh my god. Okay, you know what? I'm actually live streaming right now, and yeah, people be commenting like sepide. I was like, what? Sepide?
Yes.
And I was like,
Hi, guys.
oh, okay. Dude, what? Ah.
But we never meet.
Oh, here?
Yes.
Okay.
And we just talked, hi, how are you? In Google Meet and nothing else.
Oh, that's it? Okay.
That's
Well,
about that.
I see. Well, wait. I'm telling you, I think you should start the YouTube channel earlier, like faster, like as soon as possible, because that's like a gold idea.
Yeah, I'm gonna start it. I just. Yeah.
I can help you if you want. Yeah, I can help you if you want. I mean, I'm pretty sure you have a lot of. I mean, you have Ari, you have everyone. I think you can.
Ari, don't help me. He's.
Really?
I asked him like for helping me. He said, "Yeah, actually I know, but I don't know how to explain it." And I'm like, okay, "Thank you for helping."
You know what? I'm gonna help you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, give me your Instagram. I'm gonna help you. You can ask me anytime you want. Wait, did you create your Instagram after you find out about Indonesia or what? Because this is like
Yes. I had first of all on my private page when I met Ari, and then there were so many people requesting me. Maybe I have to create a page for Indonesian people.
I
And then
see.
she was like, have you been in Germany? Like,
Oh, no, I've never been there.
actually, I followed you already, and I saw your stories. You were like in Austria,
Austria.
and Britain, London with
Britain, yep.
Julia.
Yeah, yes, yeah. Oh, yeah, right. Of course you know them because you.
Yes, they're my friends.
Yeah. Oh,
And I was like, I'm the only person who never talked to Tina. But if you came to Germany one day, I really wanted to meet. Like,
oh, really?
it's gonna be fun.
It is gonna be fun, of course. I have a lot, not a lot. I've few friends as well, like Jocelyn, yeah, other,
Catherine? They're not Catherine.
Catherine.
Yeah.
Okay, actually,
But
Ari's in Turkey right now, and she's
yeah,
having like
I'm a bad girl.
she's hanging out with Jocelyn. Yeah.
Actually, I was like, is he in Germany? So Ari didn't say something to me. And I was like, no, I swear there is no voice and anything.